When you first launch the app, it'll take you to the YouTube tab. Currently, the table is empty because we have no playlist created yet. Now let us create a playlist and add some videos to it. So I click on the playlist tab. I will start by entering in a playlist name and then click on the change button. So now all the actions we're going to perform will be for that playlist. I will now go to a YouTube video and grab the URL. Paste it into file URL and then type in the name of the video. For file type, I'll choose YouTube, which is the default, and click on the Add Video button. Now if I go back to the YouTube tab, our video is here. Now let's play the video by clicking on the name of the video. This tab utilizes an embedded YouTube player. You can also choose to play the video in full screen mode by clicking on Expand. What if the video you want to add is on some other video website? Let's try that out. Let's now open another video site. Copy the URL. Paste it into file URL. And then enter the name of this video. And then for file type, choose Other. Then click on the Add Video button. Now let's go to the Web tab. As you can see, the video is now here. Let us now play the video by clicking on the name of the video. This will bring up a web view, which you can interact with just like how you interact with a normal website. We can click on the play button to play the video. Give it a moment to load. However, in this tab, the video can only be played in full screen mode. What if I want to play this playlist on some other devices? Or if I want to share this playlist with some other people, like friends or families? No problem. This app allows you to upload the playlist, download the playlist, or delete the playlist from an online server. Let us now take a look at how to do it. There is two types of server interaction. One is public, one is group. That basically means whether or not you want to make your playlist public or private. Public would mean anyone will be able to modify, download, or delete your playlist. Group means that you have to enter in group name and password before you can interact with the server, therefore only allowing people who know the group name and password to modify the playlist. Now let's actually try it out. Let's upload the playlist by clicking the Upload button. Give it a moment to actually upload. Once the upload is done, you'll receive an alert. Now let's delete the app and reinstall it. As you can see, both the YouTube tab and the Web tab is currently empty. I'm going to try to download the intro playlist. I will go to the Playlist tab, enter in the playlist name, and click the Download Playlist button. In order for your new entry of playlist name to be processed by the app, you can click on the Change button, or if you're performing a server interaction, the Delete, Upload, and Download Playlist button will all trigger and reprocess of the playlist name field. Once the download is completed, an alert with a success message will pop up. Now let's check the YouTube tab and Web tab to see if our two videos are there. As you can see, it is there. Now let's try deleting the playlist from the server. Click on the Delete Playlist button. For any interaction with server, once it is complete, an alert will pop up informing you whether or not the action is successful or not. Now let's try to download the playlist again. As you can see, an error message pop up saying the playlist doesn't exist. We have seen how public playlists work. Let us now explore the private ones. First, we need to create a group. I will click on the Create Group button. I'm going to name this group Example and set 1234 as the password. And then hit Submit. Once the group is created, you'll be notified with an alert. This alert will pop up even if you're no longer in the Playlist tab. Now let's switch interaction type to group. Let's upload intro to group sample. A pop-up will appear to prompt you to enter in the name of the group. And type in the password for that group. Now let's delete the app and reinstall it. As you can see, both the YouTube tab and the Web tab is currently empty. Let's download the intro playlist from the sample group. Once again, switch interaction type to group, and then download the playlist. This pop-up would always appear as long as you're doing an interaction with the group. As you can see, the YouTube tab and the Web tab is now populated. You can also delete a playlist from a group. And if I try to download the playlist again, I will get an error message saying this playlist doesn't exist in the sample group. Now I am going to clear the YouTube tab and then clear the Web tab. The Clear YouTube List button and Clear Web List button only clears the table on both tabs, but doesn't actually write that change to the phone. Currently, you can't delete a video from a playlist. Also, the app stores any playlist you have created or downloaded on the phone. So if you created two playlists, you can change between the two by entering the name of the playlist and click on the Change button. And the app remembers the last playlist you were on, so the next time you launch the app, it will automatically open that one. This is the end of the introduction video. Hopefully it is helpful.